Hello, good friends. Today's book is called Clifford the Firehouse Dog and Another Clifford Story. There's two stories in this book. Clifford the Firehouse Dog. My name is Emily Elizabeth, and this is my dog Clifford. Clifford is not the oldest in his family, but he is the biggest. Last week, Clifford and I went to the city to visit Clifford's brother Nero. Clifford knew the way. Nero lives in a firehouse. He is a fire rescue dog. I asked the firefighters if Clifford could help them. They thought he was the right color for the job. Just then, a group of school children came in for a fire safety class. Nero showed them what to do if their clothing was on fire. To smother the flames, you stop, drop to the floor, and roll until the fire is out. Clifford thought he could do that. He repeated the lesson for the class. He stopped, he dropped, he rolled. He rolled a little too far. Just then, we heard a siren. There was a fire. Nero stayed to guard the children. Clifford and I ran ahead. He cleared the street for the fire trucks. Smoke was pouring from the top floor of a tall building. Clifford pushed the crowd back to a safe place. He saw some people in trouble. Clifford to the rescue. The heavy hose was hard to unreel. Clifford gave the firefighters a hand. But then he saw that the fire hydrant was stuck shut. Thank goodness Clifford was there to unstick it. They had to get the smoke out of the building. Clifford made a hole in the roof. The firefighters were calling for more water. Clifford found some. He helped clear the smoke away. When the fire was out, Clifford made sure that the firefighters got out of the building safely. They were grateful for everything he had done to help. We gave some firefighters a ride back to the firehouse. Clifford was a hero. The fire chief made him an honorary fire rescue dog, just like his brother Nero. Clifford's fire safety rules. Number 1. Tape the number of your fire department to your telephone. 2. Know 2 different ways to get out of your house or apartment building. 3. Choose a place nearby where you and other members of your family can meet if you have to leave your house and get separated. Never go back into your house for anything if the building is on fire. 5. Tell your mom or dad to change the battery in your smoke alarms every year on your birthday. 6. Do not play with matches. 7. Never use the stove without an adult. Some phones can be programmed to dial the fire department for you. The second book is called Clifford's Hiccups. Hic, hic, hiccup. Emily Elizabeth sat up in bed. What's that sound, she wondered. Hic, hic, hiccup. Hic, hic, hiccup. Up popped the teddy bear. Up popped the doll. And up popped Emily Elizabeth. Clifford had the hiccups. Emily Elizabeth went down to breakfast. Hic, hic, hiccup. Up popped the plates and cups. Up popped the orange juice right onto Mr. Howard's head. Maybe the vet can help Clifford, said Mrs. Howard. Dr. Din checked Clifford's breathing. Hic, hic, hiccup. Clifford just has a case of the hiccups, Dr. Din said. Sooner or later, they will go away. Outside the doctor's office, Clifford saw his friends T-Bone and Mac. Hic, hic, hiccup. I know how to make Clifford's hiccups go away, T-Bone said to Mac. I'll give him a little scare. Boo! But Clifford's hiccups did not go away. Hiccup! I know how to make your hiccups go away, Mac said to Clifford. Follow me. Mac led Clifford to a kiddie pool. Shut your eyes, hold your ears, then turn upside down and drink, said Mac. So Clifford shut his eyes, held his ears, turned upside down, and drank when, boo! T-Bone jumped out of the pool. And Clifford's hiccups stopped. I did it, said T-Bone. I did it, said Mac. Hic, hic, hiccup! T-Bone and Mac were very disappointed. We really wanted to help, said T-Bone. You did help, said Clifford. You didn't make my hiccups go away, but I feel good because you tried so hard. Just then Emily Elizabeth came by. How are your hiccups? She asked. Everyone listened. Then they listened some more. Clifford's hiccups were finally gone. I hope you enjoyed the books, friends. See you again.